Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka your mom's favorite pizza boy, and I'm back at it with the first review of 2019, and I'm going to be talking about an orthodox, a gel type pomade, and that is the Watchman Superhold pomade. Now, the guys at the Watchman reached out to me and sent me a couple of bottles of this stuff to try it, and to be honest with you, I'll put an update video coming up pretty soon, but I've been moving across the United States. There's been a lot of stuff that's been going on with my life, so I've been kind of looking at not really doing my hair as much as I used to because I've been super busy. So when they gave me this pomade, I thought it was perfect because I'm like, oh, gel types, you can just kind of use them and go, you know what I mean? So I've actually got to try this quite a bit, and I'm excited to tell you about it. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, I like the jar on this. So what it reminds me of is something similar to, I would say, like O'Dowd's. Very simple design, straightforward. You know, it's just eye-catching. I always like the really black, like matte type labels. They always just catch my eye. I don't know. It's pretty simple, pretty awesome, and I just like it. Once again, too, something I always like is the label on the top. It says the Watchman Men's Grooming. So I know if I'm looking through something or looking through a drawer, I know, oh, it's the Watchman. When you pop this open, this is a kind of clear type of pomade. The scent on this, I would say it smells kind of what you would expect out of a gel type. And by that I mean that it's kind of smells chemically, kind of not. It smells sort of like Crew to me, and I know I say that about a lot of stuff, but it really does smell like the Crew, just the Crew Superhold or Heavy Hold or whatever it's called. It isn't really bad. I've smelled stuff that smells really chemically. This doesn't smell very chemically at all, but it just reminds me of that. You know, those gel types, those orthodox types that just smell like that, you know what I mean? I also, my hair's damp right now, just FYI. Scoopability is what you'd expect out of a gel type, really easy. Same with breakdown, although the breakdown on this, it feels kind of like, I would say cake batter. When you're putting this in, it feels to me like it starts to firm up pretty quickly, but at least that's how it feels. But it stays really easy to use in the hair. But this one is one of those gel types that, like, when you put it in, it definitely feels like there's gonna be some tug and pull. And looking at my hands, there is a few stray hairs, so there will be a little bit of tug and pull, but nothing too crazy, so to speak. Using the brush, I'm gonna comb this back so I can get it all evenly in my hair. And then, which it slicks back really nice. It feels thick in the hair, which I like. There's some gel types that don't really feel like you have anything, like the cool grease type stuff. Then there's some that feel like it's like, I don't know, like makes your hair feel really dry. This stuff is a good in-between for me. I feel like when you're combing it, you can definitely feel, oh yeah, I got something in my hair, and I am definitely combing through something thick, but it remains easy to style with. Sorry about the cut, I just ran and put a little bit more water in my hair. I was trying to figure out the lighting and where I wanted to start filming because I'm in a new place. And my hair started to dry out before I could apply the product. Anyways, using an Afro pick, you can get some good height, some good shape with this. To me, you know, there's nothing super crazy about this product. It works. I would say that definitely it is more on the Superhold side. Like, it says Superior Hold on the side. Looking at the jar, it just says, yeah, that's all it says is Superior Hold. So, or Superhold, sorry. So, you know, Superhold, I don't know what you want to think that is, but to me, I would expect a lot of hold. And this definitely does give you what I feel like is a lot of hold. Now, granted, With any other gel type product, if you're having issues and you're not getting enough hold, you can always add a little bit more. There's nothing wrong with doing that. You can kind of, that's the one thing I like about gel types, is you can add a little bit more, a little bit less to get more or less hold. If you're doing something with a Superhold, it shouldn't really matter, so to speak, but to this one, it kind of felt a little bit lighter than what I would expect from a Superhold. What do I think about the Watchman Superhold Pomade? Well, I think it's pretty dang good, actually. It has good shine. Once you style it, it's really easy to style with, it's really easy to use, and once you style with it, once you use it, once you get it in, it works really well. I would suggest putting it in damp hair, just because this is one of those products that when you start using it in drier hair, you can style really well, but it kind of starts to act weird. At least that's what I felt. And like I said, endurance-wise, this will last the whole day. And if you're working hard out in the heat, even though it is kind of winter time, it still will last relatively well. And when washing this stuff out, I would say that it washes out easy. It doesn't leave your hair feeling straw-like or gross or anything like that. That's one of the reasons I really like this product, is that it gives you reliable hold, gives you good endurance, and when you wash it out, it doesn't leave your hair feeling like it died. So overall, what would I give this? I would give this a 4 out of 5. This is a great pomade. I think that if you're looking for something different than the average Suavecito or Layrite or anything, you can't go wrong with this. Like I said, it doesn't really do anything to break the mold, so to speak, but it stays reliable and it does what you would expect out of an orthodox gel type, and it just works. So let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it, and have a good one.